B. In present and past. I am. I was. You are. You were. He is. He was. She is. She was. It is. It was. You are. You were. We are. We were. They are. They were. Now do in present and past. I do. I did. You do. You did. He does. He did. She does. She did. It does. It did. You do. You did. We do. We did. They do. They did.